Hey, what's up everyone? So in today's video, I just got my 5 Series BMW back from a rental. The guest originally booked it for 2 days, and then the last day of his original trip, he asked to extend it by another day. So of course I took it. But he brought the vehicle back, brought it back in great shape. I mean, gently used, just your normal, wear as far as the vehicle condition. The inside, it's not super dirty, not really dirty. I mean, just like the same way as I would use the car for a few days, that type of thing. So, and I checked, he left his gas receipt in the vehicle. He just got gas today, but unfortunately he didn't fill up the vehicle all the way. It's in between 3/4 and a full tank. So this is probably mainly for new hosts or folks thinking about getting on Turo. What do you do when your gas is returned not at the same level as you left the vehicle for the guest? So of course, Turo, you can charge them for gas. So I'm gonna fill it up. I'm at the gas station. I'm gonna fill up the vehicle, see how much it'll take. Now with this one, I'm gonna make a judgment call because he did leave me a review. He left me a great review, which I'm grateful for, a 5-star. So, and he was good. I mean, again, the car came back. He communicated well. Car came back in great condition. And I'm gonna make a judgment call on this. So what happens is with Turo, I'm gonna fill up the gas, see how much it takes. I'm gonna get a receipt. And what Turo does is whatever I pump, as far as the fuel, they charge an extra $10 fee, convenience fee, for me filling up the vehicle. So I'm gonna make 10 bucks on top of whatever it takes to fill up the gas. But again, the fact that this person rented my vehicle he extended it for a 3rd day, which I cleared an extra $65. I'm gonna make a judgment call. If it costs me less than $10 to fill up, I'm not gonna charge him for gas. But if it costs me more than $10 to fill up, for example, if it's like $15, I'm gonna charge him for the gas. So I'm gonna flip the camera over so you guys could see what level it's at. So you can see right there, it's not bad at all. But again, if it's gonna cost me more than $15 to fill up, or more than $10 to fill up, I'm gonna go ahead and request a reimbursement. And again, Turo, of course, pays me an extra $10. Well, they charge the guests an extra $10 on top of what it costs to fill up the vehicle, which that extra $10 does go to me. Yeah, so I'm gonna go fill it up right now and see what it costs. Alright, so it looks like it went way over $10. So
it's Benzina,
and here reimbursement, and you get a receipt. Hopefully it prints it, otherwise I gotta go inside. What happened? Looks like I gotta go inside. I'm gonna go get a receipt. Yeah, so that was weird because it looked like it was gonna actually print the receipt. I saw paper and then it kind of tucked back in there. So I did go inside. I got my receipt. As you saw, it was $16.82. It actually stopped at like 15 something maybe. Or no, it stopped at 16, like just over $16. So I tried getting a little bit more out of it, just to top it off well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and request a reimbursement, and you actually do it through the app. So for those that maybe are not familiar with the process, the way you prove that you had to top it off with gas is your pre-trip photos. So one of the pictures you should be taking is a picture of your fuel level along with your mileage, your odometer. And then after you receive the vehicle, your post-trip photos, same thing. You got to take the same pictures. You don't have to, but for the most part I do. And then that shows the fuel level and then the mileage and everything, of course. But then with the fuel level, I put in that it had 7/8 because it gives you the option to put like a quarter, half, 3/4, 7/8. So I put 7/8 between full and 3/4. So what you do is you request reimbursement. So you go to the trip and you ask for, you click on request reimbursement, and it'll ask you to upload supporting documents. So I'll take a picture of the receipt that I got here, and from there Turo will send the bill, or basically the invoice, to the guest, and the guest, I think, has 72 hours, I believe, to accept the charges. Now, if they don't accept the charges, what Turo does is automatically, after 3 days, they charge the guest, or at least that's from my past experience. And then you get your money back. And again, in this case, it'll be a $10 add-on for the guest, because yeah, pumped $16.82, and then they're gonna charge him an extra $10, which I get. So I'm gonna get a total of $26.82 with a $10 profit. Again, I wasn't gonna charge the guest because it was a good trip. Again, the guest was great. He extended it, so I got good money from the trip. But you know, almost $17 for me to eat that. At the end of the day, don't forget, it is a business. You know, and you don't want to have something like this just add up over the, you know, over time. And you know, you may say, well, I'll let it go this time, but you know, at some point you gotta, you know, stop letting it go. And you gotta, you know, you're in this to make money. So that's what I'm gonna do. I already cleaned the vehicle, so I cleaned the windows, the interior, the glass, the dash. I used Lysol wipes, disinfected everything. And then the leather cleaner here, actually I'm going to show you guys. So I got my Lysol wipes here. Use this for the interior, for like the dash and everything. I like it. It smells good. It smells fresh. And I use this for my leather, to clean my leather. And then I use this for my windows, because my windows are tinted, and this is tint safe. So I've just been getting this for a while. Actually, I've been getting it for my vehicles even before Turo. So that's what I got here on this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.